So the case looks really impressive and I quite like the texture. It feels really good in hand and there is a fabric kind of texture which is quite good to hold on to. The sides are made of TPU material which is also quite sturdy and quite comfortable to grip. The buttons are quite tactile. And I quite like the two-tone color. So on the side you have a TPU kind of a chocolatey shade. The buttons have more darker tone and they look quite tactile. And since it's an Apple case, so everything will work seamlessly. This is the new quick camera cutout. And this color definitely looks like is the best color for the cosmic orange iPhone. The Apple logo is a little bit lower on the iPhone, but on the case, it's a little bit on the upper side. You have the USB Type-C cutout, you have the speaker grill, and this is for the new loop Apple is selling with the case. If you like to tie the loop and hang the iPhone on your neck or on your shoulders. From inside is a bit softer than the outside grip, so this is a little bit slippery, I would say. You have the MagSafe. The button layout is nicely done, looks very neat. And also it doesn't feel very heavy. I think the weight of the case will be almost similar to the silicone case. So it doesn't feel heavy, but it looks definitely more premium and has a nice grip. Now let's put the iPhone in the case and see how it feels. You have the beautiful MagSafe animation and wow, this is awesome. I must say I quite like this case for the cosmic orange iPhone. Since this year there is no leather case, so I would say this is one of the best cases Apple has made for the cosmic orange iPhone 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max. And initially this was the most popular color, but now the silver color is also becoming quite popular. And since it's a genuine Apple case, the buttons will feel quite clicky. This is the camera layout, the camera button. Everything will work seamlessly. So buttons are done in a more darker tone which complements the color. So overall it's a great case, I would say. Just a small negative I would say about the case is that the case just stays at the edge of the iPhone. So it doesn't protrude up. So if your iPhone falls down like this, it has a very minimum protection as the case is just on the edges. Usually the silicone cases are slightly more protruding, so which will kind of help, when it falls down from the face, from the front side. So that's the only small negative I would say about this case. And see, you can see the body of the iPhone from the side because the case just stays on the edge. But apart from that, it's just a great case, feels solid, feels nice grippy. The two-tone color looks really nice and even from the side, color of the buttons, everything feels great. So overall, I would say this is a great case and I'm quite happy with the purchase.